Tuesday, February 18th, 2025. Saint Kuriakos Shavara. Focus. Do you not yet perceive or understand? There are times when annoyed parents, teachers, or guides ask such questions if the person they are helping is not making much progress. Jesus too sounds exasperated when his disciples misconstrue his teaching and discuss the fact that they have forgotten to bring bread in the boat. He demands, "Are your hearts hardened?" Jesus reminds them of the recent feeding of the 5,000 when he had provided more than enough. On that occasion too, they did not understand about the loaves, for their hearts were hardened. Not perceiving or understanding what God is telling us may be due to eyes that do not see, ears that do not hear, or plain forgetfulness. All these prevent us from knowing and doing the will of God. It may not be willful disregard, just carelessness, yet it could diminish the life of God in us. Nowadays, failing to perceive and understand God's message could also be a consequence of media addiction. We often see people glued to their phones or with Bluetooth earplugs permanently fixed in their ears. Computers or laptops, while essential for work, can also become sources of distraction. If this applies to us, only the Lord can break the chains of addiction and give us a hunger to hear His voice. Fruit. Let me set aside a place and time daily to listen to the Lord in prayer and in Scripture.